hold it on when you go through, Bob. This is something else, boys and girls. Wait a minute, we are going down. Whoa, a ways. Okay. This is far too deep. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, baby. Well, how's that? How's that, folks? Here's just another little thing in the road. Should get through this one, no trouble. Who knows for sure? Oh, you don't think you don't rip your vehicle up going back here. So all you prospective buyers of this property, take this into consideration. This is the way you get here. Uh-oh, what is this? Oh, nothing but the last little road in. This is one of my favorites here. Look at Johnny didn't take his thing back in. What you gonna do, boy?
I'm gonna follow Jimmy.
Oh, he's gonna go that way? See, Johnny knew better. He says, fucking, I'll walk there. Well, he has nothing to carry anymore, so. Anyway, this is the last little way in for the benefit of you folks who've never been here before. This is a lovely little trip. Took out the side of my truck last time I came in. I was told one time when I needed help, it wouldn't come back this far. Let's see, what have we here? Interesting, folks. Oh, look at those next holes up there. Yeah, okay. And this is better than it was earlier, okay? This is not like falling off the log with a four-wheel drive. They get stuck here too. Oh, come on. Please, dear God, go through it. Oh my God. Come on. If this video don't thrill you people, nothing will. Uh-oh. Oh well, here he goes. That looked easy. We'll try the same thing. This is where ooh. Where I tore my vehicle on the tree. Okay. It's just like,
holy smokes.
four-wheel drives are really something, aren't they? Yeah.
Man,
Oh, yeah.
This thing's a lot worse than it was before.
Yeah, you know what? Better put it in a low gear, Bob. Just a low, not your low drive, but your low gear. So you can go up through that muck without spinning your wheels. Okay. Oh, that's like duck soup. Whoop. Okay, this is the tree. This is the tree right here that I took my paint job off on before. Uh-oh. I think we are stuck now. No, okay. Yep. Do you have a lower gear, Bob? Okay. Well, there's the tree there that I wiped out the side of my truck on before. There's still some paint on it. This video is for the tax assessors in Killarney.
Mind you, you're riding in a $35,000 Chevy pickup.
Yeah, and we're riding in a $35,000 pickup, which we wrecked coming in, but we love it here. And I'll show you why we did it in a minute. We're coming up to why we've done this for now 60 years, folks. $60 years. And
oh, it's a guy's
this,
truck.
huh?
It's a guy's truck.
Okay. This is why we do it right here. Yeah. Yeah. You take that video, Johnny, and we are